YouTube Nation, how we doing? This is Tony Does It. I'm coming with another 2018 Cadillac XT5 engine air filter replacement. Now, did you know that when I went to the dealer, they wanted a couple $100 to do this service? It's a Cadillac. I get it. It's not a Rolls Royce. A couple $100 to change the engine air filter. Well, this is where it's housed, and we have some Phillips screws and a straight head that we're going to take off. All right, this is a $20 engine air filter that, hey, every 12,000 miles I'm replacing it. All right, whether it's a $50 air filter, $70 air filter, or a $20 air filter, it does its job. Great reviews on Amazon. All right, now if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because it helps the algorithm and it helps my videos grow. Just like I showed y'all how to do the battery with the hundreds and hundreds of savings from the dealer, I'm going to show you how to do that on the engine air filter. All right, so here we go. We'll get to it. I'll come back to you once I have the compartment. YouTube Nation, we're back. We are back. All right, so the air filter compartment has 5 screws that you should be taking off. All right, and then this is a flathead, and what you're going to do is just twist it. That way you can release the hose to the engine air filter compartment, such as this. Let's see if I can get it off with one hand. Pretty hard to do so. Okay, so there it is. See the air filter down there? So we're going to take it off here in a minute. All right, so here you have it. This is the engine air filter. Now what you want to do is you want to inspect in here for any bugs, any type of dirt, which we have collected some. And what I'm going to go do is just get the Dyson and put the nose nozzle on it and suck it all out before I put the new one in. Stay tuned. Let's switch this out to more suction. This is going to be the most convenient way to clean anything in this compartment. Dust, bugs, butterflies, and you know what? It's just doing things the right way. Oh wow, I guess the battery died. That's crazy. This thing was charged up. Interesting. All right, well, I was able to get most of it, 99% of it. That's good. That's what you want to do. All right, as you can see, I have the old one here and I have the new one here. This is a dirty one. This is a clean one. It's like I always say, if your car breathes well, it's gonna do great. The miles per gallon may go up, but hey, this is all maintenance. The dealer wanted a couple $100 to do this, and I'm gonna do the cabin air filter as well. But you know, you take that to a Cadillac dealer and it's hundreds of dollars. I'm a Cadillac owner. I love Cadillac, but I want to save money. All right, so check it out. Before and after. All right, what I like to do also, I like to put the date on it when I changed it. Not hard. All right, so we're just going to go over here to the car and we're going to just place it in place. Look at that, like a glove. And if you ever have a question, hey, when did I replace it? Put the date on it. All right, and just reverse the process. We're going to put it all back together. YouTube Nation, this is Tony Does It. Okay, well, there you have it. Tony has done it again. We've got it back on. We put the new one in. You know what? I went with the DeWalt. A lot easier, a lot faster. I did use a flathead for the line there, the pipe. But no, that's how you do it. Save yourself a couple $100. Real easy. Now we're gonna get onto the the cabin air filter. You know, dealer sees an opportunity, they're gonna make some money on you. Save your money. We work hard, we play hard, and we drive nice Cadillacs. This is Tony Does It. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Happy New Year.